Welcome to Steampunk Tuesday. I'm Ian.
And I'm Mike.
We're just laughing because I never leave enough time before the beginning of the video to start for him to edit it, so I didn't say anything today at all. And we just looked at each other and started laughing.
It just completely threw me.
Hey ho. Anyway, hope you had a great weekend. We had a great long weekend, didn't we?
Yes, it was Easter weekend here in the UK, so we had a 4-day holiday, which is fantastic.
So
back to the grind today.
It is. I have some great new products for you today. I have 3 sets and some rather lovely vintagey type craft corners.
Ooh.
So let's start at the beginning.
Well, just apologise for the glare.
Oh yes.
Obviously,
yes.
Start off with.
There we are, that's better. That's better. So I've got 3 sets here. These.
So we're doing a new product showcase.
We are.
Oh right.
We are.
New product showcase for April.
Yes, for me for April. Yes.
Yes.
So okay, so we'll start with the Vintage Circus. Night at the Circus.
So this is a new ephemera set.
It is a new ephemera set, Mikey. Yes. So I've written down there what's in the set.
This is the at the circus.
Yes.
One, is it? Right. Okay.
There's a lot.
There is.
There always
there
is.
Are. There is. There are.
There is. There are. Okay, so we start at the top. We have 3 lovely roundels.
2 inches.
Indeed.
No, I'm just telling them.
Oh, are they 2 inches?
Yeah, 2
inches. I thought you were telling me. Okay. So we have 3 of the lovely roundels. These are actually printed on the backs as well, so you could write on them. They've got little lined...
It's grid paper.
Grid paper, yes.
Grid paper on the back.
Yeah. Then we have Showtime tickets.
Fantastic. Just want to hold them up a little bit.
Sorry.
Now you can see the colour of them.
You can, they're lovely.
Lovely blue.
And they've got the grid on the back for writing on again. Then we have 2 corner pockets with Mr. Pierrot and Miss Pierrot. They're lovely, those.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry. I forget always that, you know.
You see, there's a massive screen in front of you and you never looks at it.
No, I don't. I always look at what I'm doing. So this is Night Out at the Circus.
Yeah.
This particular set, as with the other 2, we've had a lot of people asking if we could do some without our distress on them.
Yes.
Because they want to use different colours. So they've still got the vintage look, but just the edges are not distressed like the other sets that we've done.
And because we always tend to plump for vintage photo, there's there's more than 60 distress colours out there now. Yeah.
Flipping heck.
And we had a couple of emails from people saying that they'd like to actually use more coordinating colours with the kits. So could we do sets that didn't have any distress on them, so they could use their own distress colours and they could coordinate it to whatever project they're doing. So these new 3 sets, none of them are distressed.
No, they've got all the distressed backings on them and distressed on the front, but not the edges.
Not the edges.
So these are 4 journaling cards, Mike.
Yes.
Single-sided journaling cards. How big are these, please, Mike?
The journaling cards
there are 4 of those. 5 by 3.5. Single-sided journaling. Yeah.
Journal. All right. Oh, that's what.
I call them single-sided because they're not a little booklet.
Yeah.
So
they're not foldable.
They're not foldable ones. No. Okay. Then we have some tall ones.
Lovely.
These are nice.
So these are almost like bookmarky kind of.
They are. I like these a lot, and I think these characters are beautiful.
Yes. You've stayed away from clowns mostly, haven't you?
Yeah, because I'm not keen.
Like many people.
Like many people.
Clowns are scary. I put it down to Pennywise.
I do. I've got one. There's one clown in the set, but that's all. That's your little booklet.
Love it.
Postcard booklet.
Lovely postcard booklet.
Then we have some little foldable.
Are these the 4x3 ones?
I think so. There should be 6 folded journal cards, 4 by 3. Yeah.
Yeah, your tall journaling cards are 6.5 by 2.
Yeah.
And the folded journaling cards, there's 6 of those, yeah?
Yeah.
So those are 4 inches by 3 inches.
Lovely. They all open up, so you've got places to write on the back. That's the Barnum and Bailey one. I like that. We have Bruno the camel. He's also. I love that. It's like.
Yeah.
Roll up for the greatest show on earth. We have Xena.
Xena the zebra.
Xena's a zebra. And then we've got the Peeps at the circus.
Shouldn't that have been Clive the camel?
No, I don't want to be Clive. And then we've got. See, they're all the same. They've got the little white Pierrot on the back. Audrey the giraffe. And Elijah the elephant. And they all open up.
Like it.
Plus there are the 4 stickers. So this is the only one that's got
Yeah.
a clown on
One
it.
with a clown on it. So they're 4 inches by 4 inches.
They are, Mike. And these go with the envelopes that you get with them as
Excellent.
well.
Have they got the adhesive on the back?
They have, they're all self-adhesive, these.
Right.
So you've got the little doggies with the ruffles on. Evil man with a nice lady.
Yes, and the adhesive on the back of these is fierce.
It is fierce.
I'm using the word fierce because it will take your fingerprints off.
And then I don't think he's frightening.
He's not really.
He's quite nice.
Yeah.
So that is the
Looks like me in drag.
Night at the it does actually. A Night at the Circus. So that's one set. So you get a lot in this. How many
Oh, hang on. The envelope stickers are 3, and you've got 3 1/4 by 3 1/2, rather than 4 by 4.
3 and 3.5 by 3 3/4.
Right. Okay.
Yeah. So that's this set. How many pieces is there in the set, Mike, please?
28.
28. Lovely. Well, I'll put those back into the bag. I just put them in a particular way. They fit better if you put them in this way.
Yeah.
Put them in back to front so the creases are on the right. That's how they'll be shipped to you anyway. And then we have all the little bits.
Yes, you have your little routines, haven't you, about how you like to pack things?
Yeah, because it's easier. If you pack things in a particular way, they go in easier. So that just goes under there.
I must admit, the circus set is, I think, one of my favourite ones you've done so far. I kind of like that. I like to look on the dark side, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
I like kind of like the Halloween-y, gothic kind of sets.
Yeah.
And the circus is kind of like that half and half in between.
It is. The circus is slightly...
The circus is really happy, but at the same time, it can be quite kind of macabre and kind of
strange.
kind of dark and strange.
Tim Burton strange.
Yeah.
Not nasty
So
strange.
I think the circus set can be used both ways.
I do as well.
So it can be done happy,
Yeah.
or it can be done a bit sinister.
Yes.
Dexter.
Sinister. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so we have the circus set, which I'll put up there. Next set is probably one of my favourites.
Yes.
The vintage patisserie. How many sets do we have in vintage? How many pieces in vintage patisserie?
Okay,
please,
so the
Mike?
vintage patisserie set contains 25.
25 elements.
So
you have your...
So these are 2.5 inches.
Yes, they are. So you get the...
So almost like jar tops.
Yeah, they are.
Aren't they?
Yeah, like little labels, you said. Then you've got some tall cards. These are nice because these are all printed on the back as well.
Yeah, like the colours of these. The colours on these are more kind of muted and pastel-y.
Yes, they are.
More suited, I think, to like a kitchen area kind of journal.
But you can vintage them up how you like.
Oh, of course you can.
So we've got the nice cake, the bakery set, the macaroons.
Yeah. So I see like the edges either done in maybe like a nice green, or maybe like the spun sugar.
Yeah.
So maybe shabby shutters and spun sugar.
Yeah. Then we have some...
Or you could go, with the Victorian velvet or whatever.
So how big are these cards, Mike, please?
Right, so these are...
There are 6 of these.
Are they the folded ones?
No.
So they're the tall journaling cards.
Journaling cards,
4.5 by 2.5.
Lovely. That's those. So we'll put those on there as well. Then we have some squarish cards.
Are
Single-sided.
they folded or single-sided?
Single-sided.
So...
Star Baker cards, I've called them.
Oh, right, okay, you've not put a size
I've
on
not
those.
size on, but they are 3, about 3, just over 3 by 4.5.
Excellent.
So I've got 2 of those. I've called it Star Baker because it's Star Baker and Number 1 Baker.
Yeah.
And they've got the grid on the back, as have all the other ones to write on.
Lovely.
Then we have
Star Baker.
we have the large postcard.
Yes. So the postcard, have you got a size on that one? No, you haven't. You just put a folded postcard.
Folded postcard. They're all the same size.
So
my
it's bound to be around
postcards.
about 4 by 6, isn't it?
Quick measure. They are just short of 6.
There you go, 4 by 6.
Just short of 4. Amazing. Approx. Then we have the journaling cards, the folded cards.
Folded journaling cards, you've got 4 3/4 by 3 1/4.
So you get 6 of those. You've got these are all opened up again.
They've all got that lovely grid paper.
They have.
And of course that beautiful green gingham.
Yeah.
Gingham.
And then you've got, they make a lovely set.
Yeah, great for a baking
We
journal.
have notes and recipes, so you can put flapjack and then write your recipes inside. So you get 6 of those.
Yes.
Plus you get your 4 envelopes, the little payday envelopes we call them, I think, is it, Mike?
Yes,
And
wage
then
envelopes.
Wage envelopes, and
Yes.
there's 4 little stickers.
3 3/4 by 3 3/4. I've gone into right Cornish kind of creamy
Yes,
kind
yeah.
of accent there. Did you notice?
Didn't I notice? That was very good, actually. I thought somebody else would come into the room. So I'll put those to one side.
25 items all together.
That's that. And then this, which has been on the pre-order, has been when I did the vlog,
The sneak peek.
did a sneak peek. This has flown out.
It pre-orders for this.
Yeah.
Ridiculous. Anyway.
So let's have a look what we get. This is called
Memory
Lane.
You walk down memory lane.
And how much do you get? And how many bits do you get in
So
this?
there
Mike?
are 31 items in this set.
So we'll start off with the little roundels.
Okay, so these are 2.5 inch.
And these are beautiful on their own.
Love that. Imagine putting some glossy accents on there. It'd be great.
Yeah. So you've got, I mean, the detail. Look at the detail on there.
You could actually cut a small circle of acetate and just lay it over the
You
top
could.
as well, couldn't you?
So you've got your 3 little circles. You've got your corners.
Your tuck spot corners.
Spot corners.
Corner pockets.
I mean, the illustration. I mean, look
I know. They're
how
lovely, aren't
sweet. Then we have the postcards themselves. I think there are. These are the flat journaling cards, Mike. Are there 8?
they? 8. So these are 5 inches by 3.5.
They're all checked on the back, so you can write on the grids.
Lovely. Do bullet journaling, that kind of
I think
stuff.
it's lovely. I think they're beautiful.
Yeah. Did you say that you'd also thrown in a few kind of seasonal ones in
I
there
did,
as
funnily
well?
enough. Yeah, here's one.
Yeah, excellent.
And then there's. I mean, I love that. I think that on the front of a journal on its own is just so pretty.
Yeah, love the string. Love
The
string.
cabinet cards are great.
Card du visite.
So another Christmas one there.
There's a slight pink tinge on that.
She is.
lady in
It's
the bottom.
lovely. She's been hand tinted.
Not by me, but
Oh.
love it. They're very sweet.
Well, I
really,
love.
really sweet.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Again, they're all.
4 Christmas ladies at lunch.
Yep. Then we have you get I call it a swing ticket. It's a tag
Yes.
with nice black ribbon in it.
Writable as well.
Indeed. Then we have. Let's move this. You get 1, 2, 3 of these, and these are the tall memory
I was going to
cards.
say, you've called them memory cards, haven't you?
Yeah.
So how big are they tall wise?
They tall wise. They are
Quite big.
just over 7 inches,
Quite big then.
and they're good because you can write on the back of them as well.
Yeah.
That's those. Then you get your 6 foldable journaling cards.
4x3.
Yeah, these are a little bit smaller than the other ones because I've got a lot more. You get a lot more in the sets. They're a little bit smaller than the ones of. Are they the same size actually?
No, they're the same size.
Are they, Mike?
Yeah, they're the same size.
No, they're not. They're smaller.
Oh no, I thought you meant the ones from the circus set.
No, they're a little bit smaller.
No, the ones from the circus set are the same size.
Yes, they are. So you've got your old adverts with the little twine balls.
Mm-hmm. Quills, opera
I
glasses.
mean, look at that.
Pocket watch.
There's nothing not to
Well, it's
like
a compass,
there, is there?
isn't it? It's a
Yeah.
compass. It's a moral compass.
I love the way that it's got the little key coming in and the string and a little bit of a photo.
And then one of those wax stamp things for
Yes.
sealing envelopes on it.
Again, this all ties in with the little roundels you've got.
Mm.
Look,
Love the inkwell.
and then you've got how nice.
Lovely.
And then on top of that, of course, you've got your 4 labels.
4 stickers, 3 1/4. You've got 3 1/4 by 3 1/2 again.
Yes. So we have on the same sort of theme. That's sort of a travelly one.
Oh, I see. Is that David? Showing
It is.
Winkle.
Yeah, you can only just see it. If you get a magnifying glass, so it might just focus. So that's those. Then you also get your envelopes to go with.
Yes. So you get your wage envelopes there as well.
So that is the memory lane set.
31 items. We sound like we're on TV.
We do, and item number 1 to the last but not least of these. These took me absolutely ages to find. I've been looking for these for about 6 months, and I managed to find these. The self-adhesive craft card journaling and photo corners. These look brilliant. Would you pass me over that little bit of Timmy Holtz paper that I've got out, Mike? Okay, so the way they work is you get 24 on a sheet. Each pack contains 120 of the corners. So if you used 2 on photograph, that would be 60 photos or 60 journaling cards you
Yes.
can stick in.
Or you could use 4.
Yeah. So you'll see they have got a lovely little chevron design on them. Embossed, there we are.
Yeah, that's better. You can see it now.
But the craft card, so they're quite thick, and you can use distress ink on them.
Yes.
Or you can paint them, or you can stamp them.
Yes.
So I've got Timmy's paper here, and I'll just grab one of these cards from this set. There we are. So we've got. Oh, well, that goes. Amazing. So the way you use them is you peel them off. Try not to touch the adhesive too much. You can put the corner in there. Then would you peel them off for me, Mike, please?
Yes, I will.
Thank you.
Well, they are quite sticky.
Very sticky. Very, very sticky.
So is it best to put them on the item first and
Yes.
then lay it down so you know you've got the right kind of spacing?
So you open that? Yeah, because if not, you're going to guess. So you just stick it down. Just push down. And then you can take your little cards out.
And give it a good rub.
Just give it a rub down. Right on your cards, and then just pop your cards back in.
Corner to corner.
Corner to corner. Like that. And you know your cards are going to fit because you put them on first.
Look at that.
They look vintage, really, really vintage, but if you use a bit of distress ink around them or stamp on them, they're amazing. You can use 2 or 4. If you use 4, just get me 2 more, please, Mike. What you would do with those is you'd put the 2 on the corners as you've got now. You'd put them all on at once. I'm just doing it again to show you how you put 4 on. Thank you. Oopsie daisy. But they're a nice thickness.
Yeah, they do feel
Great, don't they?
quite solid, don't
So on
they?
this one, all you do is push that in there, as you did before, that in there,
Oh, and then just push it
and
down.
just push it down.
Ah, and then you've got your all 4.
So you're now all 4 in there. So if you want to make it like a secret thing to write in, only you know that it's there. So you just lift out. The adhesive won't rip or anything. It's very, very good quality. So just go in there and there. Then just put your tops in as well. There we are. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Lovely stuff.
And that's them.
Surely good. And all these are on the website now, are they?
These are on the website now, yep.
So there will be, that's Ian's website there, but there's a clickable link in the description area below the video as per normal.
Thank you for watching.
Yes, I hope you've enjoyed that. If you have, please remember to give it a thumbs up, share the video with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel already, you can do so by clicking the button at the end of the video. That's all from us for now. We'll see you all again very, very soon.
Bye for now.
I'd like to say a huge thank you to all of my angels, because without you, these videos would not be possible. Thank you.